Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to solve the May-June past paper 2025, and that is for databases. All right, so let us start the task. Microsoft Word we already done, and you can watch on my channel. Next, yeah, here, where is the databases task? It is task number 3. Databases. All right. So you are now going to prepare some report. Make sure all required data is fully visible. Point number one. Point number two is use the database software, which we are going to use the Access. Next, okay, and import the file. Okay, so now let's import the file. Okay, to import the file, we will go to external data, new data source, from file, text file, and browse, and runner, and open. Okay, okay, and next, and then first row content field name. Okay, and then in advance, we will change to DMY format, and then next is okay, do we have any Boolean value? Let me check. We don't have boolean value here, so next. Okay, and then next. Okay, next, and then here what we have, what they said, the primary key race number is a primary key. Okay, so click on primary key and race number. Next, and then finish. All right, so then close. Now we change it, right click design view. Okay, so what we need to do here? We need to arrange the data, text, text, text. Okay, number, text, number, text, number, number, number. Here, the only one value we need to change, which is the speed kilometer per hour should be in 2 decimal place. Speed kilometer should be decimal place is 2. Okay, so speed kilometer decimal value is, we need to make it 2. Okay, and then right click save, right click close. Okay, so here you can see the decimal value is 2. All right, done. So now next, save the data. All right, save the data. Save. All right, the data types. Okay, so here is the data type, exact data type, whatever, like, meets the requirement of the question paper. Let's go to the next question. Import the file J22 group and take as a new table in databases. Set cat code as a primary key. Okay, so let me go here. Okay, again, we are done with this. Save and close. Now, let me go to external data, new file source, from file, text file, browse. Okay, so now what they said, group. Yeah, group. Select the group, open. Okay. Okay, delimited, and first row contain field name. Next, is there any boolean data? Yes or no? No. Okay, now go to advanced. To this we are only changing the date and time. Yes, and then next, and choose my own primary key. Cat code is the primary key. Next, and finish. All right, so close. Now we're done with the both the tables. Next, create a one-to-many relationship between a cat code. Okay, take a screenshot evidence in your evidence file. You can just simply go to group, right click, design view, and take a screenshot and paste it. Okay, let me close it. Yeah, next. One-to-many relationship, cat code to category. All right, so we have to create from the runner table. Okay, so to create a relationship, I will go to databases tool, relationships. I will select both the tables at a time. Okay, now let me arrange the table values, and here I have cat code. Now drag to category. Okay, I just hold it and drag to the category so that it is here. Now it is one-to-many relationship. Let me check the question paper. Yeah, here it is also one-to-many relationship. Click on create. Student, you can create like this, take a screenshot and paste it. If you forget, then right click here, edit relationship. You can do like this also, no problem. Paste in your evidence file. Now right click save, right click close. Next, add the following new record to the runner table. All right, so where is my runner table? Here it is. Okay, total number of records are 498. So next record will be 499. Enter. So here is the last. I got the record now. First name is Nina. Control C. Control V. Next name. Last name is Harris. Control C. Control V. Let we will copy all the data. Next. Done. So what is next? Add the following to the new table. Right click, save, and close. So now we're done with the data entry. Now, yeah, so done. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 18. Use the field from both the table, produce a tabular report. I hope you guys remember. I told you, like, to produce a report, we need to design the query first. And from where to start? We need to start from show only the fields. Okay. So here it is show only the fields. Okay, we will go to our software, access, create, query wizard, simple query. Okay, so now let us start selecting the data from both the table. First is category. So here it is category. Next is race number. Next is race number. And then last name, first name, first name, done. Level is there, not there. So we'll go to group and level, insert. Next is category rank. Okay, so next is category rank. Where is it? Category rank. Is it here? Yeah, there. Okay, so category rank. Next, do we have to add anything else? Nothing. Do not group this data, and this should be in order. Student, as I told you, please, while importing the data, you need to put in order. So this is question number 18. So I'm just making as a Q18. Okay, because this is just half done and finished. Yay. So finally we got our first query. Now let us start from the question number one. Category start with F. Okay, so I will show you what to do here. Okay, category start with F means just F and star is the function you have to use, star function, so that to get the category F. So in category it is start with F. F and start and click outside and run. So you can able to see all the values which start with F. Okay, so in category, all initially start with F because they told us they gave the criteria in category start with F. Then next, category rank is 1 to 2. Okay, again I will go to right click design view and then in criteria, query design view, category is 1 or 2. So where is my rank? Rank is here. Category rank 1 space or space 2. Okay, done. So now run. Okay, so 1 space or 2. So if you see all we got 1 and 2 only. So final report should be 41 only. So successfully we got our first query done. Right click students and save it and close it. Okay, so done. Now we're done with this, the query part till here. Now let's go to the sort of data means now we need to create a report wizard. Report wizard, put all the values of query. Next, do not group the data. Yes, it is not grouped. If you click here, it is grouped. If you go back and it is not grouped, next, next. Okay, sort the data into an ascending order of category rank. Category rank is in ascending order and level is in descending order. Yeah, level is in descending order. So level is in descending order. Next. What is the page orientation? Portrait. So portrait, and then is it a fit in a single page? Yes, single page will fit. Next, and modify the report. Do we have any name to this report? Yes, we have best female runners. Okay, so I will paste the best female runners and finish. So finally, we got our first report, which is 41. Okay, your name and center number, candidate number should be there in the report. Right click design view. Okay, choose okay, choose the text box and write your, drag it till here. Name ABC, center number. Okay, IN 123, candidate number 1234. All right, done. Okay, anything else? We don't need this. Delete it. We don't need this. We delete it. Okay, double click. Finally, our report is ready. Next, let's go to save the report and print the report. Okay, so right click, save, and control P and print. Next. Use the field from both the table, produce a tabular report. All right. Select the report where it is level is 9. Okay. Contain a new field called race time. Okay. Here, student, we need to create a new field called race time, which is calculated in runtime. Fine, we will do it. This field calculated the pace speed multiplied by this. Okay, we will do this. Display the race time as a time with a hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so now we need to fix the race time before we start this question. Okay, so now race time is in which table? Okay, okay, so this should be race time should be hours, minutes, and second. And to do this, I have to change the value of space kilometer to hours, minutes, and second because space kilometer is multiplied with this. So it is better to change right now. Right click design view of the table. Where is my space time? Here number. Now I will change this to date and time and format is hours, minutes and seconds and then right click, save and double click. So we got hour, minute and second for this. Finally we done. So student, the way I did, I'm requesting you also to please do the minimum changes before you design the query. Okay, so now done. Now we will start the new query. So create query wizard, simple query. Okay, now from where I have to start, show only the fields. First field name is first name, last name, done, age, done, label is here, done. Next class, after label we need class and then race time. Okay, I have race time. Where is it? Is it given race time? No, race time is missing. Okay, yeah, bingo, because we need to create the new field called race time. Okay, speed kilometer. Okay, so now I will go to next speed kilometer, next, and then and event rank and event rank. Next, anything else I have to add? No. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because race time we have to create. All right. So we're done with this. Okay. The- the- Okay. Next, what we have now, we have to do next and then next modify. This is question number 19 because this is only half done. So now I'm going to put half time. Okay, sorry, the best female runner half done. So okay, this is question number 19. Sorry. Okay, my bad. So now question number 19 and then finish. Yeah, so now we done with only the half of the report. Now next, what they are asking. So student, I would also like to give you one tip here, exam tip. First create the new field, then apply the criteria for the other fields. Okay, so race time formula is space, okay, space kilometer, control C, multiplied with this. Okay, so now to create this, let me enlarge the new column size here. Okay, and what is the name of this? RACE race underscore time, time. Okay, race time, put colon. Okay, now next is race time, space kilometer, open the parenthesis, square bracket, control V. Okay, let me manually type here, PACE pace underscore time time. Okay, now pace kilometer, km. All right, close the parenthesis and multiplied asterisk and then 42, 42.195. Is it same? Yeah, 42.195 and then click, okay, enable it and run it and check whether it is functioning or not. This is perfectly working fine. So we got our race time too. Next, what I have to do? Now, display the race time field. This should be in hours, minutes, and second. That we will do it. Okay, in our query, design, right click, design. Okay, okay, in property sheet, we can format to hours, minutes, and seconds. All right, done. So right click, save. Now check whether it is working. Yeah, perfectly fine. Race time is hours, minutes, and second. Done. Now next. Now let's go to the level. Level is no voice. Control C. Right click design view. Where is level? Level is here. Control V. Done. No voice. Run. Yeah, all no voice entries you can able to see in your software. Next is 100 or less than or equal to 100, which is event rank. Right click design view, event rank, put the criteria less than or equal to 100 and done and run. Perfectly fine. So event rank is also less than or equal to 100. We got it. Next, what else? Finally done. Okay, now we're done with the all functions of query. So we again, I would like to show you. I select all till here. Okay, now highlight. Done. Now right click save. So here we got 31 reports. Student, please pay. I would like you to see here. Okay, few of the students are requesting me to show the formula how you apply it. So here from the previous video, Control C, and this is the parenthesis which we applied to get the race time. This is the formula. You can take screenshot and while doing practice, you can apply the same. Okay, so done. So right click save, right click close. Now let us import all this query into the report, all fields of the query into report. Okay, create report wizard. Okay, next put everything here. Next, okay, do we need to group the data? No, do not group the data. Next. Okay, what is ascending order? Sort the data age. Order is in ascending. So I will go here age, only age. Yeah, only age. Next, page orientation should be landscape. Landscape. Let me highlight so that you guys can see here. Okay, here it is. Okay, landscape, and here it is only age. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Next, fit in a single page. Yes, I already fit in a single page. Next. Okay, include the title, which is top invoice runner, control C, and here is the name of my report, is top 100 runner. Okay, does it fit in a single page wide? Yes, okay, then 100 top runner done. And large in font, we will change, modify the report, calculate the, okay, so calculate the speed in kilometer. Next, I'm done. Okay, so now this is the top 100 invoice, right click, design view. Okay, why I'm going to design view? The last question, calculate the top speed in kilometer per hour. So where is speed? Okay, so speed we need to calculate and calculate the speed. Okay, top speed means maximum. Okay, we'll go to sigma and then max. Okay, max speed and run it. Okay, what is the maximum speed? Is 17. Okay, so right click, design view, change this to 2 decimal place, property sheet, decimal place to right click save, and then double click open. So now we got this 17. Okay, and right click design view. Now, did not ask any decimal place, but still we did. Now, next is has the label is faster speed. Right click design. Okay, now close this. Let me enlarge so that I can put the heading too. So here is the heading. Control V, faster speed. Done. This should be little bigger, they said. So let's increase the size to 24. Okay, and then let us align properly. Now, do we have to put our name, center number, candidate number? Yeah, here also name, center number, candidate number. So go to our report design and write your name, center number, candidate number, ABC underscore 123 underscore 1234. Okay, name, center number, candidate number, done. Same position of every page, and place in your evidence file showing the formula which you use. This is the formula you use. Take a screenshot and paste it. Okay, dear. So you need to just enlarge and you can take the screenshot and paste in your folder. Done. Save and print your report. Right click save, right click close all. So now this is your report. Adjust it the value, right click layout view, and with the help of layout view you can adjust the time report. Okay, yes, and then here layout view and then push. Okay, this value. Okay, and then this value is already adjusted. Next, done. Right click save and control P, or else you can go on preview mode also. Okay, right click, print preview. You can see this, your report is perfectly fine, which is ready. You can take the print. All right, are we done or anything else we have to do? Right click close. Let's go to anything else. Nothing else. Total 26 marks. Perfect. Save and print your report. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.